Hello. Good afternoon, dear students. Fourth year final management. Students, you are the senior level students of business and so I think conceptually we are very rich. Due to senior level studentship, you are a student, I am also a student. I am senior student, you are junior student. That's all. Nothing serious difference. I am delivering bank management. Basically, secrecy issues of electronic banking system. As you know, banking system worldwide no more continuing in the previous format. Now this has been completely changing and updated. Telecommunication tools, methodology, techniques and devices are now widely used, so that the banking functions are broadening and multivariate. So in our daily life, not only personally our own life, also all sorts of firms, business organizations, were not bank and banking system is attached with. Banking system is glorifying our all sorts of activities with a very counting basis. If we keep all our money in our pocket, monthly earning in our pocket, after 15 days we will see no money to maintain the last 15 days expenditure. But if we keep this money in the bank and using debit card or credit cards, very nicely we can maintain our monthly expenditure. And there should have a specific statement. Very plus point. We need to pay our multivariate bills, electric bills, washer bills, student fees, fare, railway fare, aeroplane ticket, all these things can be done by the banking channel using electronic apps. So it's easy from our side to maintain our financial activities very easily. But electronic banking system, as it provides us the ample opportunity of maintaining counting right there, side by side, it's also very risky. You know, a few days before, not only a few days back, also still now, hacking is a very extreme malpractice to steal or to hack someone's account. That is the old trouble. At the end of a certain period of time, the account holder may see there is no money in his balance. This sort of forgery, I just like to mention, so for offline forgery, stolen of card, yes, I have ATM card, debit card, credit card, multivariate cards are there for financial transactions, receiving and disbursing. In that case, if this card is stolen, and then and there is not informed to the bank, then the person who has stolen this card he may transfer a huge amount of money from the account. Sometimes clients are careless. If they don't know how to handle properly card, then there can occur a problem. Then online forgery, that is the stolen of identity. What's your identity? What's my identity? If it's stolen by the hackers or by the criminals, those who are expert, those who are having expertise in this line, then they can, by stealing our identity, he can transfer money because he's having that skill. Then duplication or scheming of card, yes. Some criminals are there, some hackers are there. They can duplicate, they can create a duplicate card, ATM card, debit card or credit card, whatever the card. And with this duplicate card, they can transfer, they can hack. At the end of the month, we can see there is no balance in the account. Then phishing. This is now the latest type of. Sometimes hackers or criminals, those who are engaged in forgery purpose, they send email to a certain client, yes, for a certain reason, for offering a certain amount of money or for certain type of business. Yeah, gentlemen, please, you contact, you give me some your specific information so that it will, I will be able to contact you. In that case, they create a nice, faithful relationship and because believe. Then the client may provide information and messages to that one. As a result, he can hack, he can transfer money from the account holder's fund. Then internal forgery. Internal forgery, always in traditional practice, internal forgery was there, and in the online banking system there is also. Sometimes some hackers or some frauds, they contact the bank officers or staffs. So with the connection of frauds and the banks, staffs and officers, they can jointly do harm. They can jointly transfer money from a certain account holder's account. These are the situation for transferring, and it's the tough thing, sensitive thing, technical knowledge, know-how, expertise is there, a very important thing and question. In so many cases, the clients doesn't have that much skill and efficiency. In some cases, we don't find this sort of skill and efficiency of the bankers also. As a result, the clients may suffer a lot. What to do? Role of bank. This is a very critical thing. Nowadays, it's a burning issue. Illegal trafficking through the online channel. It's a very dangerous, becoming dangerous and disastrous. So, banks must control, access control. Banks should not permit everyone so easy, yes, to enter in their, main control room or control panel or their operational system. Banks should be careful. No outsider. Those whom bank doesn't know and without seeking permission, without any right quality, without any right reason, bank should not permit anyone. Then, to observe the past history of responsible officer. The officers, those who are very much responsible, bank should know, bank should have to attain all information or messages about the person, those who are engaged in maintaining this total banking electronic system. If any information is unknown to bank, then their bank may have to give a big penalty, which will be disastrous for the bank also. Then information reservation encryption. So bank can maintain their secret messages, information, specs, materials for better sustaining. Then protection from disaster is also a great problem. Natural calamities, havoc, war, flood, cyclone, tornado, multi things can occur. In this issue, bank has to arrange twice, double arrangement. If one system fails, then another system may continue. Okay. These are the things from the side of the banks need to follow or to maintain. Role of client, and what is the role of client? Yes, client has to think, I am keeping my money in this bank. So first bank need to understand, clients need to understand, yes, what is the actual image of this bank. If there is merely business crisis in terms of forgery, then the client should not keep their money in such a bank. And knowing all these things, if someone is keeping his money in that branch, then the branch concerned and connected people, those who are working in the online, they will still even the enter fund of a certain account holder. Then use of complex password. Now, if password is the very easy format, say for the 55555, yes, password, then it can be very easily hacked. If the password is John at the rate of so and so and his name and other things are also added there, then that would become very tough from the side of the hacker or illegal traffickers. In that case, they should have to keep it in mind. If the password is complex in nature, then that is quite tough to hack. Then dual security system. With the password, sometimes clients may save their mobile number or email number like this, which will be not possible from the side of the hackers or for the persons engaged in forgery to identify or to find out. So this will provide the dual security system. Right. These are the, and some terms are there also. Traditionally, banking system was paperwork based completely. Giant volume books are there, and they are maintaining, they are keeping their reports, even transferring or receiving, or even reconciling. So that was completely based upon giant books, register books. Nowadays, such type of a cell phone is enough to maintain thousands of records. Some system is there is the electronic fund transfer system, EFTS. Then another is the online banking. Online banking is now is practicing worldwide. Online transaction is done. So easiest and fastest. Then internet banking also is a part of online and internet in the same line banking system. Internet banking, through internet banking, bank can perform its widening its banking operations to a great extent. Then, home banking. Internet banking, home banking is the same line. It's a highly interrelated thing. Is this, and we are doing your banking system, keeping yourself within your home. That's possible. Now the mobile banking. Mobile banking is a nice thing. Any moment, anywhere you are staying, if it's midnight, then you can transact. No problem. Then you can transfer. You can clear your payments or dues to someone. This is home and mobile banking. There is a PIN number, personal identification number. Basing upon that, you can transfer or receive any amount of money. Then automated teller machine, ATM. This is very popular now in Bangladesh. You need not to keep lakhs or thousands of taka in your house to mitigate the emergency. But if it's demanded, if you need, say, for 1 lakh taka or 50,000 taka, you can go into a near booth, even it's midnight or night at 4, no problem. Pushing the ATM card, you can collect, if you push it three times, then 75,000 taka you can receive. Very easy. So this is a very important thing, and you need not to carry a huge amount of money at the same time. It's very much risky. Then SMS banking. And these are the multi-varied product banks are offering for their clients and customers to get the maximum benefit and the easiest way to transact finance and financial issues. So this is the banking system, electronic system is now going and continuing, but this is a very sensitive and sophisticated thing, and this system is very much concerned with skill and expertise in terms of telecommunication system, telecommunication device. If our skill is not that much level, then we will have to suffer. At least the bankers, they should have to be well concerned about the skillful operations or dealings of online banking. Not otherwise the matter will be easy from someone's side. Even some giant banks or the central banks in the world, they are facing this sort of problem. As a result, they are losing. Few years before, Bangladesh Bank lost a huge amount of money this way. Anyway, electronic banking is problems. Your cautiousness, your sensible, your responsible role, we discussed. At the same time, you the people, you the students, you are staying near or far. Whatever your range, how far you are, I don't know actually. But you are our senior level student. So whatever you are doing or transacting through bank, whenever, not only that thing, but actually now all the transactions are done through the banking channel. In that case, you will have to think, you will have to gather the initial expertise and knowledge and how it's going on, how it's operating, its activities. So you need to gather practical information. You can contact to the banks, or even when your internship program will start, then you will also practically be able to know how the banking operations is going on. So now the sky is very gloomy. Anytime, any moment, heavy shower of rain may start, but the scenic, the natural beauty is very fine. The trees and flowers are just calm and quiet. Birds are flying, green fields, you just see Our playground is very clean and very beautiful. In front of the Department of Management, you just see very nice flowers, java full, very nice flowers. So, and several birds are now coming there, some nice garden, another very beautiful garden in the corridor of Department of Psychology. Professor Alon sir, he is a very fond of gardening. Okay. As we came to know, coronavirus is now continuing, though for that reason, you will have to keep yourself within your house and don't go outside. Just continue your academic issues, academic systems, maintain your academic systems, and with the target to attain at least first class in the honors final year. Okay, thank you very much. I wish you success. God bless you.